Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 18 of the Legal Day Challenge. Hit the like button and subscribe and join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. I am here in San Pedro de Atacama. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. I already said it. I have not slept yesterday, as if you watched yesterday's thing, you'll know. So I'm tired. I'm about to sleep. Let's do it. I'm gonna skip the intro today. Like the fun intro, just because I need to go to bed. Like really, and I have to wake up early tomorrow too. So yeah, let's take a look at today's poem. We have 3652. Best time to buy and sell stock using strategy as a medium. Okay, so I mean we've been using this type of problems the last couple of days, so hopefully this one not so bad. We have prices of I is the price of a given stock on live day. Strategies of I represent this where -1, right? Okay, so you could buy, hold, or sell. You're given number K, and you can perform at most one modification in strategy. Modification consists of selecting exactly K consecutive strategy elements in strategy. Set the first K over 2 to hold. Set the last K over 2 elements to sell. So you don't buy. I'm kind of confused, but okay. Wait, what? No constraint? What does that even mean? Like, it's not a profit. It's what? I'm too tired for this. Leetcode, why don't you just? I have no words. It seems like Leetcode, the writer, came up with a problem, couldn't figure out how to, and it just kind of shoehorn this dark analogy to it. I don't even know what's going on anymore. But okay. K is always even, I suppose. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I guess the idea is just to try all of them, right? Because K is fixed, so you can just try all of them in a good way. The idea would be just to just calculating the delta, right? So basically, you do one with no modification. So you have the original, you have the profit, you're happy, right? I don't even want to call it profit. It's just so it's not a. I don't know. Whatever. Too tired to deal with this. But yeah, right. And then now, in a sense, you're just kind of subtracting out the interval sum, if you will, using prefix sum. Subtract this out and then add this back in, right, or something like that. And that's basically the idea, right? Yeah, because for the hold doesn't do anything, right? Hold is just 0, so hold doesn't really do anything. So it's just about zeroing them out, the first K and a half, and the last K and a half, you just get the entire profit. So it's just a lot of prefix sums, I think. Let's set this up really. Well, I guess we can't go prefix if we're just going to prefix cell. I don't know if that's the right thing. Calculating selling, quote unquote, selling a series of or a sequence, right? Subsequence? No, subarray. There you go. That's the way I was looking for. Sorry. And then now it's just prefix is just normal prefix sum given given the normal prefix sum using the default strategy, right? Yeah, now we can just write it out, right? For x in xs in zip of prices strategy, maybe we'll call it p instead of x. Then prefix is equal to the last element, right? Because it's a prefix, some idea, plus p times s, right? Is that the idea? Yeah, I think so. And then we have to do it for the other one as well. So yeah, it's just gonna be this really, but always sell, right? So that's gonna be p, always profit, right? So then now we just try for everyone, right? So then now, yeah, so best is equal to I used prefix twice. I mean, I didn't even copy and paste. I just kind of copy and paste in my head. Anyway, prefix of -1, because this is the literally just calculating the original strategy, right? And then now we just go for I in range of n minus k, I think. Then now we want to, and maybe we should write this as total as well, so it's easier that way. So now it's going to be total subtracted by, say, prefix of n, or not n in this case, right? It's going to be I plus k. Wait, no, because it's only half, right? So I plus k over 2 minus prefix of I, right? -1 maybe? Oh no, this does go all the way to k because we want to subtract this out, right? In this case, it's going to be, I think this is actually more accurate. Well, okay. Technically, I think it should be this, but remember that prefix is there's a, I don't know, it's off by 1. I mean, not off by 1, but it just is 1 base. So you have to write something like this instead. That's why I was a little confused. But yeah, so now this is to subtract that out from the original strategy, and now we want to add back in this new strategy, right? Which is, well, the first half is 0, so we don't care about it. The second half is going to be starting from I plus k over 2, right? All the way to I plus k. And again, there's this like +1 thing. I think this is right. This should be +1 actually. But I don't know. If I'm wrong, we'll fix it. I'm very exhausted. I feel like I'm always exhausted these days. I'm just old and not enough sleep, and it's not okay. That's surprising. I always write that. It looks okay for the first 2, which doesn't mean anything, but I am going to YOLO submit because you can see that my eyes are tired. Okay. Output is -13. Why? Am I off by 1 on this thing? Probably. I actually had a mental note to I was like, is this right? I don't know. But I forgot. I mean, the strategy is to replace this, so it's going to be +8. So why do we not work at 0? 0. So this is going to be prefix of 3. That's right. Yeah. So you -13. So it's going to be -13 minus -13. So this is 0, and then this is going to go. I plus k is, well, it should be 3, which is 13. Okay, still good. And this should be just 5, right? Is this not 5? Well, k is 2, so 0, 1, yeah, that should be okay. Did I have a typo somewhere? It's possible, honestly. No, this is right. Then why is this wrong? Does it just not execute? N is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this never executes. Okay. But then now why does this give me a way out of bounds? I plus K. This is not even out. I don't know. A lot of the times I just write something like this instead. Then I don't have to worry about it. Well, it's still wrong though. 0. So K is 0 to 2. No, yeah, this should execute once. Oh yeah, wait, whoops, I messed that up. Wait, where is it out of bounds? I plus K plus 1. If I plus K, so 0 plus 2. Oh, 2 elements. It goes from I to I plus K minus 1 inclusive. So that means that this actually only goes up to here. Even with the plus 1. Okay. How did it, I think, you know, what parens am I missing? Oh, the way parens. I think that's fine in a way, but I think the part that fooled me a little bit, like that was actually something that I was thinking about, but the reason why I didn't, I don't know. I guess case 1 and case 2, I just got very lucky and that didn't come up because I was like, hey, you know, if like I thought I had more certainty than I did when it passed example 1 and 2. Apparently today I messed up more than last time. I don't know. What's the complexity, right? Well, I mean, this is just a lot of linear things, so you know, and it seems like I did better last time, probably because I'm less tired. So yeah, watch that video if you want linear time, linear space. That's why for this one. Thanks for watching from San Pedro de Atacama. Stay good, stay healthy to command your health. I will see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.